Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I picked up the Wicked doll of Madame Morrible from Walmart. Clearance for $9. My wife saw the price and said, "We can't pass this up." And honestly, she was right. If you're looking for it, here's the UPC code. Hope that helps. This doll has an incredible head sculpt. Seriously impressive. Madame Morrible is played by Michelle Yeoh. She starred in Tomorrow Never Dies with James Bond, Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, The Mummy, Tomb of the Dragon Emperor, and Shang-Chi, The Legend of the Ten Rings, just to name a few. The head sculpt really captures her elegance. She is dressed in what looks like a Japanese kimono to me, but it was actually designed by costume designer Peter Tazwell. Her outfit features a high white collar, dramatic sleeves, a mix of gold and brown, split sleeves with a pattern that doesn't continue on the back. She has these cool high boots. And a necklace. I might swap it out for something custom at a later point. Her hands are different from the Harry Potter figures. This is the DC Superhero Girls Supergirl body and hands, which are compatible with the Made to Move Barbie wrist pegs. It's an easy swap. I've been working on a veteran adventure group, and I needed a strong companion character for her. Enter Garrett Doc Bryson. He's a grandmaster to my ninja team. And Morrible will be his counterpart, and also a grandmaster. Oh, and here's a twist. I decided they're Cora's parents. Cora is the operation commander for the Brass Eagle Adventure team. You remember I did a video on her earlier. You guys know I love building family units in my story. It adds emotional depth and legacy. I found some sleek black clothes for her. Yoga pants from the Made to Move Barbie. A knitted black top. And a large black belt, which I might swap out later. I kept the boots and necklace for now. Articulation. Her head rotates and tilts. Arms swing out and swivel. Elbows bend about 90 degrees and swivel. So she does have swivel arm. Her wrists swivel and bend up and down. Her right hand is great for holding things. Her left hand, cool pose, but doesn't hold much. No waist articulation. Her legs swing out and swivel and bend at the knees at about 90 degrees. Here's a sneak peek of my ninja project. This is my lead ninja shadow. I'm using my favorite Snake Eyes head sculpt from the 2003 Spy Troops Ninja Showdown set. I'm using black leather to create armor, which will be actually dragon skin in my stories. Kara will also get some custom armor. Madame Morrible is probably more of a mystic character, so I won't make her dragon skin armor. And there's Jenna, second in command of my ninja team. She was built from the 21st Century Toys Matilda head and body. I modified her chest armor to fit her figure better. Let's play what can she hold game. So the kukri, yes, she could hold it, but it's a bit large for her hands. My custom ninja swords, yes, I found one that fits her perfectly. Restoring Madame Morrible's outfit, I found a Harry Potter kid's cloak. It actually suits her well. I might remove the Gryffindor patch, make it more neutral. My final thoughts. She's going to be a fantastic addition to my veteran adventures and my ninja team. Still lots to do on my Ninja Dragon armor project. I'll have a full video on that soon. Well, that's all I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It really helps my channel. And share it with a friend who loves quirky finds like this. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that button so you don't miss future videos. You could also click one of these videos and keep watching my content. All that stuff really helps. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.